This electricity meter from Eastron features an all-new wiring design that enables fast wiring without any tools. Compact yet powerful, it is specially developed for balcony photovoltaic systems. Paired with the PL1 magnetic accessory kit, it draws power by attaching to circuit breaker screws for extremely convenient installation. Ideal for residential balcony PV setups. The meter delivers highly accurate energy measurement and comes equipped with an anti-reflux function. Eastron electricity meters are also MID certified with ultra-high measurement accuracy, delivering greater ease of use and reliable performance. Small in size but powerful in performance, this compact meter saves installation space while delivering professional-grade metering capabilities. If you are interested in this electricity meter, feel free to leave a comment, and I will reply with more detailed information about the product.